gising. Park your car na po, ha? Sleep time na po. Po? I don't like to eat eh. Finish it.
Next time.
Yan na, papark niya na tayo. Park time. Sleep time na po. Very good naman yan si Samuel Shani. Very good naman yan si Samuel Shani. Very good, very good naman yan si Samuel Shani ko.